Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be using the Dark and Lovely relaxer, silkening relaxer that is. Alright, so I'm just showing you the contents that's in the box, okay? So usually I really love, let me first say, I really love this relaxer because of all the other relaxers that I tried, like the ORS or maybe the Cream of Nature, this Dark and Lovely is so gentle on your scalp, okay? So even if you irritate your scalp just a tad bit, it does not burn, okay? Because whenever I use the ORS or any other perms, oh my goodness, honeys, my scalp, let me tell you. Okay, lovely. So what I'm going to do is just open that packet of activator and just apply it to the relaxer. What the activator actually does is just activate the chemicals in the relaxer, okay? So you won't have any scalp damage. But really and truly, I should have actually just used that one packet because I was just doing a touch-up, but I did use both packages. But you know what do I always say? You live and you learn, and it's here. So yes, that was my mistake of applying both activators when I should only apply one, okay? But if you do in fact have just natural hair and you're looking to relax your hair, you do need to apply both of those activators. But if you have a perm and you're just doing touch-ups, only one activator, okay? Only one packet, okay? You see, I'm saving you guys. Don't do like what I did, all right? Don't do what I did, all right? And we already know whenever you're doing a relaxer, you always have to make sure you apply your Vaseline on your hairline, around the nape of your neck, to make sure that we do not have any burns. And whenever you're doing your relaxer, guys, please make sure that that relaxer and activator is mixed properly, okay? You should make sure that everything is smooth and there is no lumps or bumps in that container, okay? Make sure everything is mixed properly. So I'm just using my brush, my dye brush, and applying that relaxer on my new growth, okay? Not on all your hair, but on the new growth only. So I'm just using that brush and applying it on that, and I'm just going as fast as possible. You don't want to take too long when doing this because it is a chemical. It's processing while you are working on your ears, a section of your hair, so you want to move as quickly as possible, okay? And lovelies, please remember, if you are due for a relaxer, avoid cleansing. And this includes co-washing for about 7 to 10 days before applying chemicals or your relaxer. You should always avoid scratching your scalp or raking over it with a comb, okay? Because any minor irritation can result in the dreaded burning, okay? Once the relaxer is applied, you do not want to irritate your scalp, all right? Listen to me. Okay, we don't want to go bald, all right? Just leave the scalp alone if you know that you're going to be relaxing your hair. So I usually leave that little side of my hair, the sides of my hair out until I'm going over the hair again, because right there on my sides it's just a little bit thinner. So I usually leave that for last because I don't want it to be over processed. So right now I'm just going over with my brush to make sure that everything is smooth and straight. Okay. Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family. And also show your girl some love by hitting that like button. Thumbs up this video and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below. Okay guys, so I have shampooed, neutralized, condition, mask, everything, and I am done. Okay, lovely. So, your girl had to put in her rollers, okay? Because the rollers does, to me, okay, give my hair more body and it makes it have a little bit more bounce. So, yes, I just love putting in my rollers after I wash my hair or relax my hair or texlax my hair, okay? So, yes, I just like what the rollers do for my hair, okay?